Jump in and help.
Can you handle the battery?
There we go.
I can't handle it. Not that much.
Left. 25.4 kilowatts.
Hold on.
22 left. 25.4
Power off.
Power off. 25 no. Maximum temperature 124.
Ollie right.
Nasty vibration left front.
Up pins, pull pins. Body down.
Oh, thank you.
Car down.
Hey, Jack!
You don't get the direct body down. You get
Jack,
to
down.
somebody else.
Hold the dolly and down your foot.
All right, am I clear?
You're clear.
Jack, down!
Put off the brake.
Flip. Try to keep it under 500 amps, and you'll get better range. You'll get a big dip.
All right, Jack, off!
You'll get a big dip in minimum voltage if you're late in the pack and you floor it.
Okay.
I never floored it the whole session. 135s, 134s, 136s. No brakes anywhere but one and down at the bottom of the chute.
Okay.
Okay?
Don't go anywhere. I'm having trouble.
Okay.
Okay.
This left belt, I can't get it latched.
No worries.
Get my pin in.
Suck it in. Let somebody else do it. Bob.
Got it.
Thank you. And they're over.
Still tight.
Yeah, that's tight.
Hammer.
Pin.
Hammer. Hammer.
Real hammer.
Yep.
That's good. This is, yeah, no slang.
Another one. Get your
Pack lines. Alignment problems. Right way down.
All right. Okay.
Okay, you can pull, and your
Yep.
power on.